Imagine a world where your audio-visual experience is seamless, vivid, and incredibly immersive. That's the promise of HDMI 2.2, the latest innovation in high-definition multimedia interface technology, set to redefine how we connect and enjoy digital content. Introduced in 2002, HDMI cables revolutionized connectivity by replacing bulky predecessors. Over the years, advancements like HDMI 1.4's 4K support and HDMI 2.0's increased bandwidth have enhanced our viewing experiences. HDMI 2.1 then took a leap, introducing 8K resolution and gaming-friendly features. Now HDMI 2.2 is here, announced at CES 2025, with Ultra96 HDMI cable assemblies leading the charge. These cables double the bandwidth capacity of previous generations, support up to 10K resolution at 120 Hz, and ensure backward compatibility. Enhanced shielding and high-purity copper conductors maintain signal integrity and quality. For gamers and VR enthusiasts, Ultra96 HDMI cables promise smoother and more immersive experiences. Professionals in fields like medical imaging and digital signage will benefit from increased bandwidth and resolution support. The Ultra96 HDMI cable assemblies for HDMI 2.2 represent a significant leap in digital connectivity. To stay updated with the latest in audio-visual technology, like and subscribe for more insights.